Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. So in this video I want to show you how to create a restore point. A restore point is basically a list of important files that are created in your computer and saved to a specific point in time. So in case your computer fails to function, maybe after installing a new application or after working for some time, you can always restore it back to that specific point in time so that you will solve the issue. So for you to do that, you're going to place the cursor in the search box, then type restore point, then choose create restore point. Then in the system properties dialog box under system protection, you're going to go to protection settings. Then we have a list of drives that you will choose for you to be able to set the restore point. So for you to be able to do that, you make sure that the protection is on. You make sure that it's on, and if it's off, you can always set it on by selecting it and clicking on configure. Then you turn on system protection. So in this case, I'm going to use my new volume M, then choose a create option, then give it a name. The name of the restore point, I'm going to name it as restore 31st. Restore 31st, then click on create. So you leave it to create the restore point. This will take a few minutes. Good. So once it finishes creating the restore point, you'll see system protection. This restore point was successfully created. Then you click on close, then click on OK. So for you to be able to view the created restore points in your computer, you're going to right click on start button, then choose Windows PowerShell admin. This will need you to have privileges. Then in the PowerShell window, you're going to type get computer restore point. Get computer restore point, then press enter. So you'll see a list of restore points that were created in your computer, the date and time that it was created, then the name of the restore point, and you can see mine is here, restore 31, and all other details. So that is it for creating the restore point and how to view it in your computer. Hope you like the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment below for any queries.